Hi team, good morning to everyone. And future engineers. My name is Sandeep Choudhary. I joined LDRP back on 2014 and achieved 8.98 CGPA overall. I was placed by a college in Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Limited, which is one of the core mechanical MNC. So I would like to thank two placement cell and placement team and the Ketan sir for their cooperation and my whole mechanical team. Currently, I'm been working as a senior quality analyst in the Tech Mahindra and compressive all the well-structured plans and the test cases, along with the estimating, their prioritizing, their planning, and all. Managing all the aspects of the business operations, they are providing show coordination from research to the client businessment, their leads and the budget management. I proudly said that the LDRP is equipped with the best machines and the setup for the CNC, VMC, and the other things. Apart from that, LDRP is totally linked with the world-class educational institutions as well and the R&D organizations for excellence in teaching, research and the consultancy services which help their society and the students and the team for their sustainable growth of the humanity and they are a part of their skills as well. I would like to thank KS University and the whole LDRP team that they are and every year they are providing the scholarship which motivate our students and the team so that they will grow from their end. I would like to help to clear all the theoretical and the practical doubts and also helps me to impart our skills as well. Additionally, institute is always engaging the faculty as well as students in the career-based workshops and the other extracurricular activities. At last but not least, again thanks to coordinator, to my mechanical team and mechanical friends.